Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the amazing cheesy German dumplings. These are packed full of flavor, so they're not made the authentic way with the croutons. I decided to amplify the flavor by adding bacon and cheese. So this is cheesy German dumplings. I want to give a shout out to Glam Cook for sharing the original recipe, but I actually make it my own by adding some twist to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this version of the German dumplings. So these are the ingredients that we will be using. What I did is roast my potatoes in the microwave for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also boil your potatoes, that is just fine. So then I peel the potatoes and I grate it. As you can see, I use different kinds of potatoes here. Then I added the rest of my seasoning, which will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, you're going to work that in. Then I go in, here is another twist where I added some smoked gouda cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using my masher to get everything well combined. Go in with some eggs. Awesome, then we are going in with our flour. And we're going to mix this until the flour is really combined with the potatoes. This is so easy and so simple. And if you follow this method, you're going to get the perfect dumplings every time. But this is new, it is different, and it is so flavorful. So I am going to roll this into a ball. Now, because I actually roasted the potatoes instead of boiling, I do not have to have water. Alright, now you can boil your potatoes, you can use water to smooth it off, that is just fine. This is just my little twist in my version. Alright, so you add some cheese in the center and some bacon. Now you can add sausages. If I had that, I probably would have used it, but I used what I had. Alright, or you can just do it the authentic way with the croutons. This is absolutely amazing. Look at those dumplings just floating away. Awesome. So what I did, I let this go for an additional 5 minutes. Perfect. And then I actually remove that and set aside. Then I garnished with some bacon, and I'm using turkey bacon, guys. You can use whatever bacon you like, or you can just use the croutons or mushrooms, your choice. Food is art, just play with it. So thank you guys again for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and please check the link out for this amazing creamy sweet potato soup. It is super delicious. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.